Okay, I'm skipping class to do this. Okay, so I bought an electric skateboard. It's a Backfire G2 Black. It arrived today. It took 11 days to get here. Let's see. This is tough to get out. This thing extends out. Okay, here we go. So this is actually the thing right here. There it is. This baby will do 24 miles an hour. Goes like 13-ish miles. Look how big the wheels are. Bro, wait, hang on. Let me grab my other longboard for reference here. There's a size comparison on the wheels for you. So, these back wheels are the motors here. Wow, that was bad. Okay, you get some screws, a rather small charger, wire for the charger, and a USB-C cable for this remote, which by the way feels really good. The old G2 I don't believe actually had a screen on the remote, but this one does. The skate tool, and I think this is actually for testing the battery or something like that. That's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. The Backfire G2 Black is fast, carrying riders of up to 80 kilograms to speeds of 38 kilometers per hour. It may not sound too fast, but trust me when I say that it is absolutely plenty of speed for the vast majority of riders. The board achieves this astonishing top speed via its dual 400-watt Hobbywing Superpower hub motors, which are driven by a 42-volt, 5.2 amp-hour battery. This unusually large capacity edges out its competitors by 30%. Unfortunately though, the cells are unbranded and are likely inexpensive knockoffs. The higher-end G2 Galaxy utilizes Sony battery cells, but expect to pay a premium as it costs over $100 more. The motors themselves are driven by a Hobbywing ESC instead of the commonly used Lingyi ESC. While the Hobbywing ESC does have less features, it makes up for this by being widely regarded as having very smooth acceleration and braking, which, in my experience, is definitely true. Thanks to the high-quality drivetrain and massive 96mm wheels, the G2 Black glides over any road, even if the road isn't the smoothest. The board also comes with custom Backfire bearings, which may be rebrands, but they perform well regardless. The trucks are reverse kingpin, which makes them optimal for a board like this. Reverse kingpin trucks allow for easier carving and effortless turning, whereas standard kingpin trucks are better for jerkier, quicker turning, and are usually used on skateboards instead of longboards. The trucks also feel very smooth and sturdy. I personally like my trucks loose, so the included skate tool definitely came in handy. The board also comes with the updated 2020 remote, which has a built-in OLED screen that shows total distance traveled during current trip, speed of the board, and battery for both the remote and board. The remote is made of a soft-touch plastic which feels very ergonomic in the hand. It also comes with a comfy sized loop on the end to prevent you from dropping it while riding. The remote has two buttons, one for turning it on and off, and one for changing the speed mode, along with the direction of the board. Yes, the G2 Black can go backwards, although I don't really know why you'd want to. All in all, this board has impressive specs for its low price of $400, but should you buy it? That comes down to what you're looking for in a board. Although the G2's main competitor, the Meepo V3, is faster and has more ESC features, and is $10 cheaper, the G2 will go further and ride smoother due to its larger wheels and Hobbywing ESC. Backfire is also regarded for their customer support, while Meepo's customer support is rather questionable. So, if speed and ESC features are the most important for you, go for the Meepo. But if you care more about everything else, the Backfire G2 is well worth the money, and not only is an incredibly fun way to kill time, but a legitimate means of transportation for anyone without a car living in a place like a college campus. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my review of the G2 Black. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on electric skateboards and drones. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. See you later.